I'm here with another video. I quickly want to show you guys the binder that I got for my teenager. I know that there are a lot of kids now that are better with money than we were when we were younger, so I got her this binder. It's pretty small, but it's the perfect size for her to put into her purse. You can open it this way, and you would put the you would stick these in. This is for cash, so she can use these labels here, which most of these won't apply. Binder is not meant for kids, but it is perfect for someone that's trying to save. So she is trying to save. So I got her this, and these will go inside the binder. The labels will go on top. I'm going to allow her to choose her own labels. These, for some reason, do not close. I know most of the budget binders, the bigger ones, this is tiny, so you can see what size of my hand. Most of the budget binders have zippered envelopes, and this is not. So I don't know how well this is going to work out, but we'll try it. You also have to poke through these holes so they don't come that way. And some people might say that she's too young to start worrying about money, but I think this is the perfect age to set up a good money mindset and a plan where she's going to spend her money and start a savings. Probably won't use all of these envelopes. I think that it came with 12. So let me show you what it would look like if you were an adult using this. You would put a budget sheet. So you would put a budget sheet in there. Like that. And for cash, let's see how much fits in there. This is $25. So let's see how the cash fits in there. And if it holds it shut. I don't think this is going to hold much. Yeah. So maybe this holds it together. Okay, let's try it a different way. And there you go.